Zoom in on natural disasters. Wildfires by Andrea Rivera. Science. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires. They burn anything in their path, such as forests, shrubs, grass, and houses. Fires need heat, fuel, and oxygen. Heat dries the fuel. This makes fuel easier to burn. Heat also warms the air. This helps fires spread. Technology. Firefighters put out wildfires. Sometimes they use chemicals. They spray the fire. This cools it down. It helps stop the burning. Engineering. Fires need a steady supply of fuel to spread. Firefighters dig up the ground. This removes the fuel. The fire cannot spread. Firefighters also start controlled fires. These fires stay small. Firefighters make sure they do not spread too quickly. Controlled fires burn up fuel. This helps prevent wildfires. Art. Julie Kumnick is an artist. She studied wildfires. Then she drew pictures. She used charcoal from a wildfire to draw. Math. There are different kinds of wildfires. Brush fires burn fuel less than 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall. Forest fires burn fuel more than 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall. Wildfires can move quickly. Some reach speeds of 14 miles per hour, 22.5 kilometers per hour. They can spread 28 miles, 45 kilometers in 2 hours. Key stats. More than 4 out of 5 wildfires are caused by people. Every year, wildfires burn up about 7 million acres, 3 million hectares of U.S. land. A wildfire burn every 3 to 25 years can help forests. The fire gives trees more nutrients and space. The biggest wildfire in the world was in Indonesia in 1997. It burned 20 million acres, 8 million hectares of land.